The need to improve production efficiency and ensure on-time commissioning are becoming even more critical to remain competitive and control costs. As these concerns grow, supplementing 2D drafting and Excel calculations used today with tools inside the Product Design and Manufacturing collection that can create a fully integrated factory model can help give your layout process a much-needed boost. To start, you can model, study, and optimize the manufacturing process concept using web-based Process Analysis 360. Here you can analyze the processes to identify any bottlenecks and ultimately determine how many components can be produced in a specified period of time. In the plan phase, 2D tools are perfect for conceptualizing multiple scenarios for effective decision-making. Process flow simulations, rough layouts, and material flow optimizations are deliverables you can create inside AutoCAD. Once the initial layout is created, a 3D model of this design can be created in a single click. With bidirectional associativity in 2D and 3D, you can make changes or add assets in either environment and they will remain in sync. Having an accurate 3D model of the existing factory at any time in the factory lifecycle helps to make informed decisions in every lifecycle phase for plan, build, and operate. Establishing a manufacturing change management process to detect and fix clashes and front-loading the validation digitally helps to avoid costly failures and reduces the need for a contingency budget. When it comes to installation and commissioning, we can take advantage of the drawing capabilities for documenting the layout. Place a bill of equipment and add the necessary balloons automatically. Then continue planning the installation and sequencing process by leveraging data from other teams using Microsoft Project or Excel. And finally, animate the sequence. Once the team is comfortable with the process, you can capture the animation for everyone to open and review as needed. Autodesk Factory Design Utilities is a complete workflow. Analyze your processes, strategically position and validate the equipment, plan for installation, and operate the factory.